It's an exciting time for Novelis, and it is an exciting time for this community. It's been wonderful the last couple of days, walking around, talking to people, and just the buzz and the excitement of what we're about to do here. It's obvious, not only are we excited about it, but the community's excited about it. When you put those two things together, great things happen.
This massive investment in our state, one that I often brag about, will connect around 1,000 Alabamians with a high-paying job. And that, my friends, is key to our success as a state. Folks here in Bay Minette who thought they might have to leave Bay Minette to get a good job, they can think again. And folks in Alabama who thought they might have to leave for the state to find better opportunities can also think again. Because y'all, these advanced high-paying jobs are now right here in LA. Lower Alabama, that is.
But more importantly, we have employees that have worked with us for more than 50 years. Their sisters and brothers, kids, grandkids, nieces and nephews work for Novelis too. We invest in communities like Bay Minette for the long haul. That's the type of impact that we want to have.
While Bay Minette is by far the single largest investment we've seen since the 1980s, our members have committed and spent an additional $5 billion to grow American manufacturing plants and operations over the past 10 years. And that has resulted in jobs. Our industry represents 165,000 American jobs, and more here today in the coming years.
To show our customers that they can trust us and there for them today, tomorrow, and for all time. And to inspire solutions for the future. And to enhance the quality of life and the environment and the economies of our hometowns. So that when people think of Novelis, they think of a company committing to making things better.
Thank you so much for being here this morning in this terrific event. When Lee Johnson asked me to participate in the program, he said, you know, most of the important points are going to be discussed by other people. Your only job is to handle the weather. This is going to be a great long-term relationship that'll last for decades, that's going to improve not just Bay Minette, not just Baldwin County, but the entire state for years to come, and we are grateful that you're here.